Okay, so here we are at the Realty Executives First Choice Facebook page. And this is how you can go and invite friends to like the page. And you can do the same thing on your own business page. So we scroll down looking at the right-hand column here. And when we get to this box, community, we can click here to invite friends to like this page. And a box will pop up with all of your friends, your Facebook friends, your personal profile, and you can choose by location. And that's how you invite friends to like your Facebook page that way. But you can also invite email contacts by clicking on the three dots here beside share. And in the drop down box, it says invite email contacts. If I click on this, I can upload a CSV file created in Excel, or I can upload a CSV file that's been downloaded from any of these programs. And that's how you invite people to like your page.